Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 9 e-commerce tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about make cart icon dynamic. So let's see how can we make this cart icon dynamic. So first of all, let's create a new Livewire component for this cart icon. So go to the command prompt and run the command php artisan um, make colon livewire space component name. Let's say component name is cart icon component. Okay, now hit enter. Component created. Now run the application. So write php artisan serve. Okay, now switch to the project and let's open the layout file. So just go inside the resources directory, then views, layouts, and from here let's open this one app.play.php file, and inside this file let's find the cart icon, and here you can see this is the cart icon div. Okay, there is the icon. So let's select this div from here to here. Okay, and just cut this div, and now go to the Livewire directory and let's open this one cart icon component view file, and inside this view file just to remove this and paste here. Okay, and inside the layout file just render this component cart icon component. So add here Livewire. Okay, and component name which is the cart dash icon dash component. Okay, and remove this. Alright, now save this file, and inside this cart icon component view file let's display here the cart count. So before this span tag just add here @ if cart count is greater than 0. Okay, then display this cart number of product inside the cart. Okay, and after this just close here the if okay, if directive, and for displaying here the cart count just add a double curly bracket cart count. Alright, and inside this cart icon just add here inside the alt tag just write here the cart, and also add here the asset. So add a double curly bracket, then cut this asset, and inside the single quote just paste here the cart image URL. Alright, okay, and for the cart URL just add here the cart route name. So double curly bracket route, and then route name which is shop.cart. Alright, and now display here the cart item. Okay, so before this first li let's add here for each for each, and then cart content. Okay, as item, and now just cut this int for each and paste after this closing li tag. Okay, first li tag, and now just remove this remaining li. Okay, and inside this for each for displaying here the product name just add here first add here the double curly bracket, then use substring method, substr method. Okay, substr, and inside this just pass here dollar item arrow model arrow name. Okay, and display here the name which length is starting from 0, and let's display here the 20 characters. Okay, and after this just add here the dot dot dot, 3 dot. Okay, and for displaying here the price, let's copy this and paste here inside the double curly bracket, and change here the column name, which is the regular underscore price. Okay, and for quantity, double curly bracket, dollar item arrow qty. Alright, and now also add here the inside the product image tag, alt tag, just add here the product name. So inside double curly bracket, dollar item arrow model arrow name. And for displaying here the image, product image, let's copy the image URL. So go to the shop component view file, and from here let's copy this image URL. So just copy this and paste inside this image src. Okay, and now just change here item arrow model arrow id. Okay, and also add here the product details URL. So from shop view file, let's copy this one and just select this and paste here, change here item arrow model arrow slug. Okay, now let's copy and paste here. Okay, and for this delete link, just comment this for this time. Okay, and now let's display here the total. So add a double curly bracket, then card colon colon total, and for cart URL just select this double curly bracket route and route name, which is shop.cart. Alright, now save this file. Now go to the cart icon component class file. So just go inside the app directory, http livewire, and from here let's open this one, cart icon component.php file, and inside this class file let's add here a listener. So just create just add here the protected and dollar listeners is equal to add here the listener name. So write a refresh component arrow dollar refresh. Alright, now save this file. Now go to the cart component class file, and inside this method, increase quantity, decrease quantity, destroy, add, clear all method. Let's add here dollar this arrow emit 2, and let's call this component class component view name. Okay, so add here, let's copy this class name component view name, and inside this emit2 just paste here. Okay, this is the component name, and then let's call this event, okay, refresh component event. So just copy this and inside the single quote just paste here. Alright, now let's copy this and paste inside this decrease quantity method. Also paste here inside the destroy method and clear all method. Okay, now save this file. Now everything is done, so let's check this. So just to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, and you can see here the number of product inside the cart 1, and here is the first product. Okay, price is $430 and you can see here the total price 430.76. all right, now let's add one more product inside the cart. So go to the shop page and add this one, and you can see here number of product 2. Okay, now let's increase the product quantity from here. So just click on up arrow and you can see number of product quantity 3. Okay, this one 2 and this one 1, and here is the total price. And if I remove this product from the cart, you can see here number of product 1. Okay, so in this way you can make cart icon dynamic in Laravel 9 e-commerce. So that's all about make cart icon dynamic. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.